Kissing a friend can be exciting if you've developed feelings for each other, but sometimes it can make things awkward between you. If you want to stay just friends after a kiss, you may need to take a break from your friend for a while to process your feelings. When you're ready, talk to them about the kiss and express your feelings and concerns. Say something like, "Our friendship means a lot to me. I hope what happened hasn't hurt things between us." If possible, come to an agreement with your friend about how to move forward. For example, you might agree not to kiss again, or promise each other not to tell your other friends what happened. Keep having open conversations with your friend if you still feel confused. It may take a while to work through things together, and that's okay. Spend time with your friend and do the same kinds of activities you did together before the kiss. If you stick to your routines and keep things relaxed between you, the awkwardness should start to pass.